Hey guys, welcome back to Social Dance Bachata Film Room, where we're gonna break down a video by one of my favorite couples, Louis and Andrea, so that you can use this move in social and you can recognize it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the video and I'm gonna explain the guy's part and I'm gonna explain the girl's part, the followers part. So let's check it out. Okay, for the leaders, this is around count 6, 7. And this is the very beginning. The prep before count number 1 is very important. And I always repeat this preparation, because it's very, very important, especially in bachata sensual. And the tilt here, because she wants to go left later on to your left, you have to start with the right. So start with the right here. At this point, it's very important that you have her with your left hand connected to her shoulders, because your right hand is going to be doing this decorative thing, and this is not to lead. Your right hand is not to lead. It's just to go around the back of her neck, and that's not an actual lead. It's just there to make it look pretty. And here, starting on count number 3, you will slowly rotate your frame. Look, he's started to rotate a little slightly to the left, so that when she comes up facing the front, facing her right. And at this point, she will do like a little body wave. Bring her all the way to her front by shifting your weight to the left. And once you're here completely on the left, you will need to do a sort of a snap. And this snap doesn't come from your arm, so don't force her with your arm. This is very important to use your frame to rotate her 180 degrees. Just like that. And here you only shifted your frame, but you have not shifted your weight yet. And the next step is when you shift your weight from your left leg to your right leg. And what happens here, because you've shifted your weight to the right leg, she will step forward, and then at this point you will send her back with a little push, but don't push too hard. This is literally, you just need connection from your palm with her hip bone, not on her belly, because that will feel uncomfortable. And the second thing is, look at his left hand. He's going to keep her down, so that instead of just coming right back, she will sort of go down with her frame as she's walking back. Just like that. Now let's look at the followers part. So, for the ladies, for the followers, it's very important at this point to relax your neck. So at this point, you should be tilting with your neck as well, and prepare to do a head roll. At this point, it's very important that your shoulder blades is seeking connection. So what I mean is, you have to keep a good posture, keep a good frame. By a good frame, I mean it needs to be pulled back like that, so it will feel his hands, your lead's hands. And at this point, your posture should be engaged, but it should not be stiff, because starting on count number 3, he's going to shift his posture a little bit, his frame a little bit, so that when you come up, you will not come up directly where you started, but a little bit to the right. And you will see here, just before you shift it completely with your leg, you will do like a sort of like a little wave to this point, and here you will need to be on your toes a little bit, and the balls of your foot, because he's going to like snap with his frame. And at that point, you still haven't changed your weight, but he's going to step forward, which means you also need to step. Actually, he's only stepping to his other leg, and you need to step to your front leg. And here, this is important. You need to recognize that the lead with the palm is sending you back, but at the same time be aware of what's happening in your shoulder blades, and he's going to keep your shoulder blades down, so keep your frame down as you walk backwards until he releases your frame. That's all. Alright guys, that's all for this week's video, and I'm trying to do this more often now, hopefully once every week or once every 2 weeks. And thank you so much for your support. Lately I've been getting a lot more people, a lot more conversation going. So thank you so much. If you want to help, please leave a like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and do all that good stuff. See you in the next video.